how to set Gboard to use default font or Samsung font on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, we tap on Gboard settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then we tap on Preferences. Next, go down and tap on Font. From the font dialog box, you can choose between Gboard default or system default. This is what it looks like for the system default font. And here, if we switch to Gboard default font, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.